This is going to be my first test. Well, it's going to be my first video, not a test, of this handy cam with the headgear. As you can see, I got the little wristwatch thing. Took a little bit to adjust. I mean, I think I got it dialed in. I don't know. We'll see what happens. What I'm gonna do is do a video that involves this camera right here. Let's see, my Sony, and the handy cam that I got. So we will see if this is gonna work out. I think it will, because I sure like using two hands. You know, I just can't do everything with one hand. Okay, so away we go. Let's set that down right there for a minute. Okay, here we go with this next video. And this is the Troy-Bilt MTD Yard Machines Husky Bollins bagger. It's a genuine bagger. Who knows who makes it? I don't know who makes it. But the part number for this is 19A300310EM. 19A300310EM. It's a 42-inch and 46-inch bagger for your Mary lawnmower. Let me get a close look at this. There is the part number. It's a bagger. This is the recommended one for this Murray. I guess the Murray's basically an MTD, but we'll see. So let's get going on this thing. I don't know what I'm gonna need yet with this. Let me know how you like this type of video. Because I think I'm gonna like doing these if it seems to be okay with everybody. I don't wanna hear no BS about I'm getting seasick. Take a Dramamine for God's sakes. Okay, here's your chute. Piece of that chute. And this is a bag that attaches to something. Bag ain't good for nothing. And we got the top. That might be a side, I don't know. We have another bag with another part. And the owner's manual. Should I use it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna use it. I think I'm gonna use it. And let's see what we got here. We have a supplement sheet to go with our owner's manual. And then our frame for the bags. I guess I could lose this thing. Let me go ahead and set it down there. And the bags. Oh, wow, man, check it out. These are very different than the other bags. The other bags are, oof, I don't know where they are. They're not bags really, they're like bins. There they are right there. Now, I'll see what the difference is here. I found a use for the old lawnmower. Oops, there's more in here. Tell you what, it's nice having two hands and being able to do what I need with two hands and then still be recording. Ooh, there's all kinds of brackets in here. I'm sure we'll be using that. And this bag can go over here. There's a rod and some more brackets. Cool. Don't need this anymore, now do we? Okay, let's take a look at these instructions and see what they need here. Double bagger and triple bagger instructions. That should be self-explanatory. Owner's manual. Never mow on a surface that's too steep. Yeah. What guy is listening to that? Anyways, there's your parts layout. Well, I'm gonna have to use this other bracket. I have to use this one right here. Okay, required tools: 9/16 socket wrench, 1/2 inch socket wrench, M10 socket wrench, T30 Torx bit if needed. Okay. Let me go get some tools. I'll be right back. Why would I need a 1/2 inch? Seems kind of like overkill, doesn't it? Well, whatever. It doesn't say anything about what socket you need, so we'll see. We shall see. What does this say? If you're assembling this bagger unit for I got a big ass bench over there I can use, but why don't I use it, right? Okay, there's these. And where's my instructions? Mount the 700 wings using the 4 self-tapping hex screws included with your kit. See figure. Boom, 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 boom. There's no self. Is that in right there? Yeah, that's got to be in right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what the hell they are. Huh, 1/2 inch. And these go to the top, right? Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, man. Fits like it was made for it. Oops, too tight. Oops. I gotta get in a better position here. It's better for me, but I don't know about you. That's one bracket. Let's go for two. Just a hole and a hole. Okay, that's two brackets installed. Show you what they'd look like. Okay, now what's next? Next. I got that. Now we need to assemble this little deal. This little gem. I got that, and that. Hooks go down. Those little nubs go up. Yeah. That would be this. Hooks go down, nubs go up. I presume like so. Huh. Just like that. Yeah, rock on. Move this shit out of the way. I know, I got a big old bench right there to assemble this, right? And I'm doing it on top of a garbage can. Ah! Okay, let's see what we got to attach that with. No.